This first footage is from a couple weeks ago, and they had a pretty good selection, but not what I was looking for. And then I went back, and the Brotherhoods were there. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, as you saw in the clips, I was at Shoe Palace, and the first clip was a couple weeks ago, maybe about a month ago. I went and they only had this shoe in a grade school sizing, and this time I went, they had this sneaker in men's sizing. So honestly, like as you saw by the clips, yeah, the shoes may be bricks, as the sneaker world calls them, but honestly, like, it's nice, and for the real sneakerheads, it feels nice to walk into a store and be able to buy a shoe. You know, getting that thrill, just going in and being able to actually see a selection. You don't have to go through apps and stuff. Like, it really feels nice. So here we have the Shoe Palace bag, and by the box, it's a Jordan 1 box. Yes, guys, I'm sure you guys have seen enough unboxings of the shoe, but I will be showing you back here in the backdrop. I just need to make some space and show you guys. A couple months before this shoe was announced, my brother found this like canvas in Burlington, and I really liked the shoe, being that the colorway and what it said. Again, I will be showing you that. Like, probably that's gonna be like after I unbox the video, like unbox the shoe. So I got that, and then a couple months later, this shoe was announced. See, does it say here what date it was released? No, it doesn't. I will. It's on the shoe. So, again, like, I wanted it. Obviously didn't hit on sneakers. I did not want to pay resale, just because it was one of those shoes that, like, eventually I'll come up. I already have enough shoes, and I already had told myself that 2022 I was gonna wear out everything I have. You know, I already have a couple shoes that are like ripping apart and stuff like that, but like, I have a lot, so I need to wear them out. But when I saw this in the store, I was literally with my cousin walking, and like, we're probably like one store away from Shoe Palace. I seen them and I like ran over there. Like, I felt like a little kid in Toys R Us. Like, for all the 90 babies, like, you know that feeling when like you have something. So again, Jordan 1 box. Here you got the classic Jordan 1. And for the shoe, guys, it is the Jordan 1 Brotherhood. Now, the shoe comes with extra laces. Let's get to the laces first. It comes with a white and a yellow pair of laces. I'm debating of putting the white laces, but I also don't know, because like, I like how this looks. So again, the Jordan 1 High Brotherhood. This leather, it's like, kind of reminds me of the McDonald leather, the Jordan 1 McDonald's, but like, it's like tumbled leather. Really nice quality. The story time behind this shoe, it was Jordan's Brotherhood, like, from college, and these were their colors. Reason why this is the colors, very like Laker colors, but this is like a Bordeaux. Official colors are University Gold and Light Bordeaux. So again, guys, like, down here, like, you see the resemblance in the shoe. The leathers are practically the same. Obviously this shoe is beat, like, as you can see, like I've been using them, but leathers are pretty much the same. I really like the colors. Again, I'm a Lakers guy, so yes. Here we got yellow bottoms or university gold bottoms, white mids with the white end caps. Honestly, if you do not have a shoe, get it. Just like this one, the Mickey D's one. When I bought them for like $230 ish resale, and like it was a shoe that I even told my cousins, like, watch, like everyone's hating on these because the colors, give them time, they're gonna shoot up. I've seen local boutiques have them in the 300s or 400s. I can't remember the exact pricing, so like that gives you that. And this shoe, I think it's gonna be one of the same thing. Like, quality is good, it's cool colorway, especially like this is gonna be your statement piece. You know, you throw on some white tee and some Eric Emanuel shorts. I think they have some in this university gold. So like, you know, simple outfit, but summer's coming up. You can always make fits with these. So guys, if you don't have these in your collection, I highly recommend them. My Shoe Palace had them. Don't pay resale. Sometimes they have late restocks, so check out your Shoe Palace. Again, guys, these were the Jordan 1 Brotherhood highs. And let me know in the comments if I should put the white laces. I'm not gonna put the yellow ones just because I already have yellow on those. So should I keep Bordeaux laces or should I put the white laces? Let me know down in the comments. Again, guys, thank you for watching and stay blessed. All right, guys, as you see, like, this is the top of my shelf. Rest in peace, Virgil. I got my books here, Lakers thing here, but as you see right here, it says prove them wrong, and it's actually got a Brotherhood painted on. The only difference is that this one is a little bit light, darker. As you see, it's like a canvas, so like you see the resemblance in the shoe. And this one again was from Burlington. Also got this one. These are my 2 go out shoes that I bought not too long ago. Pretty fire. My friend calls them the Michael Jacksons, but because he loves them, that's why. But I need to get those, but for sure these can be checked off the list.